Hello learners, in this video we are going to learn Format Painter in Excel. I have two columns. First column shows month of the year and the second column shows today date. But the problem is month of the year like January, February, all the months have different font. So I want to change the font like January. But how to do this? In this situation, Format Painter will help you. So you don't want to change the font manually. So first I select the month of the year January. Then I click Format Painter and select remaining cells. Now the font changed. In this way you can use Format Painter. Now you see the second column of the data. The date format is different. Now I select the data and click Format Painter. Apply to remaining cells. Now the format is changed. Okay, next we move on to another example. This example shows month of the year. I want to color February. In this situation, I don't want to manually doing like this for each that contain February. By doing like this, it wastes your time. Instead of, you can use Format Painter. So I select the data. Then I double click Format Painter. Now I apply the Format Painter into remaining cells that contain February. In this way, you can use Format Painter. Your work will be more easier and you can save your time. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please hit a like button. Bye to all. Have a good day.